To trim videos on a Mac, open QuickTime, select File, and then Open File. Choose the video that you would like to trim and click Open. Select Edit and then Trim. You can then drag the yellow handles in the trimming bar. The area outside the yellow handles is the area that will be trimmed. When you've adjusted the clip to your liking, select Trim. When you are ready to save your video, select the red X in the top left corner. You can name your video, choose where it will be saved, and then select Save. Your original untrimmed video will be preserved, and you can repeat this process if you would like to trim the video again.